In this video, I'm gonna show you how to transform a TXT document to the index.html file. Remove all of it to the VS Code and start writing your first code. And even open all of this in your browser page. And so don't forget to subscribe and make sure that you like this video. Before you start creating your first websites and templates, you should create a TXT document. Create and TXT document. This kind of thing. But someone else you think swag. I will understand, but just look and you will understand. Right here, I delete the point txt and write index.html. That's all. Press enter. Yes. Yeah, wait a minute. And did you see what happened? This thing, the txt document, creates to the website template. If you press it, you will see where this document were saved, and you open it in your browser. Did you see it? It's perfect. And what you will do next is to write all of this kind of code. You will firstly need to remove this, and next that you will do it, and let's open it to all the window. Well, it's like white paper where you can create everything. For example, let's see the for YouTube. For example, YouTube. For example, this YouTube was right on HTML. You know, this. Did you see it? I made a bigger HTML style. HTML. I mean, even using simple HTML, which I will study and tell about in this short videos in one playlist. You can create something like YouTube if you want. Of course, YouTube it's not just HTML, but it's actually right on HTML. Well, firstly, what you need to do, what you must do, it's to type HTML and body. All of this. Now I will show you where this container continues. Approximately it starts from here and continue infinity. Oh my god, it's so big. Well, your core will be like that. For example, this like that. Doc type HTML. Let's print it. Doc type. Ready to see that VS Code is showing the versions. And next, HTML. This kind of thing. HTML. I think that you have noticed that the VS Code duplicated this word and just made it that. In HTML, HTML is something like programming language. It's some kind of programming language, because without CSS it's actually Well, these like words in HTML are named like tags, and tags there are in two different types. Tags which are open, for example, like HTML, and you see that area is underlined. This tag can copy. This is the second tag. This tag opens and closes. For example, else body. Body opens and closes. And for example, div2 opens and it should close. I couldn't find